Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post anonymously on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Facebook application, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to create any post anonymously, then you should know that you cannot make any direct post by remaining anonymous. However, you can make an anonymous post within any group that you are a part of. So tap on the account icon at the top right corner, and then from the menu page, go ahead and tap on Groups. Now, once you find the group within which you would like to make an anonymous post, just go ahead and tap on it, and you will now see the Post Anonymously section at the top right away. You can simply tap on this to continue creating your anonymous post. Once you make your post, make sure that Post as an Anonymous Member is turned on, and then you can tap on the Post button in order to create your post anonymously. Once your post is created, it will appear within the group. However, your username will not be visible to anyone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make an anonymous post on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.